Hi, I'm Parker Stifler, and this is It Really Me from 110 in the Shade. Thank you. Moments ago, I was alone, hoping that this could be. Now here I am, safe in your arms, and I'm no longer lonely. Is it really me? Is it really true? Suddenly I'm beautiful, all because